And so it will just be two Bulenox accounts, which is 250K accounts. So one of the interesting things is, why did I choose to go back to Bulenox? It's because it's the only program which I've been able to secure payout out of every other program I've tried with. We'll get into that story at some point, right? So yes, what are we going to be trading? Our main priorities is going to be gold, NASDAQ, right? That's what we'll be trading. So gold and NASDAQ will be our main priorities that we'll be trading. So our risk is going to be about $200 per trade, right? So we only trade a maximum of 200 trade keys. And then how many trades can we take in a day? Our maximum is 3, right? So, but it's under the condition one is a winning trade. If both are losing trades, we don't take the third one. If two are winning trades or one's a winning trade, then we don't take the third trade, right? So, as we jump into it, can you just give me a second? Make sure I'm audible, right? Alright, so I just want to check if I'm audible. Just give me a second. Okay, I see it wasn't yeah, it's good I checked, otherwise I would have streamed the whole way and my sound would have been overlapping. So I've put my sound a bit lower, and I think my audio should be much better, like way, way much better, right? So, okay. So we'll be looking at gold and what do we have with gold for today? What setup do we have with gold for today? So, just give me a second. I just want this. Okay. So with gold, from the high time frame, it's going to be pretty much interesting. So I haven't looked at the market since, I'm just going to remove all of this here. I haven't looked at the market since, um, I think this is actually the first day, Wednesday, to look at the market. Yesterday I did, but it was through a session, right? So it wasn't, I was not trading, but it was just a meeting that I was having with the implementation of what we were looking at. So um, this is officially, right? So like I mentioned earlier, why Bulenox, right? Or why would you ask, why are we trading with Bulenox, right? So um, it's because is Bulenox is like the first love. Maybe that's the best way to phrase it, right? Bulenox was the or is the only profit which I've been able to withdraw from. Unfortunately, I did not withdraw all I made with Bulenox. I'll actually probably make a video on that. At that time, I mean, I did not know how the consistency works. Well, I learned through how the consistency works, but the withdrawal caps, right? I wasn't mentally prepared for that. But like I said, we'll talk about that in depth when it's actually time for us to do so, right? Um, but again, if you're here for the first time, please like the video and please subscribe. When you do like, it makes it easier for the next person to find this video, right? So may you please like and subscribe. Just gonna double check if I'm audible again. Just give me a second. Okay, yes I am. I see I am audible. All right, so that's fine. Um, yes, so like I was saying, um, so Bulenox is like the guy which I've been able to secure. Um, I've been able to secure a payout from. Take Profit Trader. I've tried Take Profit Trader. I will probably come back to it at some point. But at the current moment, I am just I am I'm not much on that prop, right? So with gold, I mean we are at 3,000. We still haven't hit our all-time high, I think, which is 3 point. You can see here all-time high with Owanda, because with different with brokers it's different, right? That's 3.5. That's our all-time high. So us looking at what's happening here, we are actually practically creating high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs. So we are retracing back, right? So if we do take our fib from this low to this high, we would be expecting price to at least reach about our OTE, and we did do so. And we can be expecting maybe price to carry on going up, right? So um, yeah, we can be expecting price to actually carry on going up. So um, We've got that. That's on the weekly, but we are not swing traders, right? Or position traders. We're actually there to, we're intraday traders. So we trade session by session. Hence, this is titled London session, right? So what we can do is, I'll just go over the Bulenox as we just talk, right? Um, the Bulenox rules. Practically, I just need to make $3,000, all right, without having to lose 2.5. My daily maximum drawdown is 1.1, right? And yeah, so I'm just supposed to adhere to that. Contracts, it's up to 7, so it's my contract scale up. So I think the first contracts I can use is about 2 contracts, right? And then after that, I can use more when I do use them, right? As my account goes up. So the account I'm using is the end of day drawdown. So the end of day drawdown is it's good because what makes it good is the fact that you don't have to what do you call this here? The end of day drawdown. Just to double check if everything's okay. Yeah, guys, this is my first stream. I mean, official stream. I just need to make sure everything is okay at least. So, um, okay, perfect. Okay, so making sure that was okay too. All right. So on the daily time frame, what are we seeing? We can see that we took out nothing. We are still trading inside our previous daily high and daily low, right? Like this is our previous daily high that we have here, and our previous daily low is the one we have in here. So we are kind of caught up within there. So meaning our setups are not going to be much at this point, unless if we had maybe we're expecting price to take out this high and then um, trade lower. But at the current moment, um, this is what's important for us to actually focus on, right? So we can see that's our 1 hour there. We are arranging. It's as if gold is trying to find out, or it's trying to see what it should do, right? Or what should it do? What can it do? Let me say, not only should, let me say should, but what can it do? So what we want to see now is um, we're just going to place um, our daily cycle, right? Our daily cycle just helps us know where we are prior to, where is 18 o'clock? We're using 18 there. So 18 and 18, that's our previous day. And then, well, this is like a part of the weekly cycle. But if we are now looking at it in the high time frame, right? So that's what we have. And then, again, like we highlighted, also previous daily high, previous daily low there. And then we are inside that range. So I'm gonna now place our today, and then we look at our session for today and see what can we have. So it looks like we are practically still within our quarter. It looks like we are in our previous quarter here. When we're looking at everything here, looks like we are still looking at our previous quarter here. So Asia was pretty much, you can see it was trendy, but it was more of a range because where we opened versus where we closed, it's in close proximity to each other. So that practically just indicates that we in a range, right? So let me do this here. Oh, It was on. Oh, okay, that's fine. Cool. So fine. Yeah, that's what we have. So we just want to see now if we've got any setups, right, that we could potentially be looking forward to. So as you can see underneath, the account balances for the Bulenox are like 50K account, right? If you convert them, why is it a little bit less? One is a little bit more because I was testing. You don't want to start executing trades without testing your what's this your account to see. So I was using, I think it was YM, but the micro YM, right? Micro mini YM. So it's very low, and I was using one contract for that. So and I was right about that because I was struggling when it comes to executing. It was saying my data was delayed by 10 minutes. So what you need to do, I think I'll probably make a tutorial for that, right? What you actually need to do is make sure you, um, how would you say this? You need to sign and agree to a contract. But again, I had already done that. So what made it difficult was that I think I was using an old Ninja Trader license. So it was making it a bit difficult for me, that which is something which those credentials were already saved when I traded that account about 10 years, maybe 10 years ago. it would be nice to it would be nice to be in the industry for 10 years, but it was about a year ago. Yeah, full year ago. About this time is when I was able to like secure a payout. So yeah, I just think everything is just going well, and it's going according to how I would like it to go, right? So um hmm, okay, you went in. Okay. Uh, yeah, I've got two screens. So there's one that you are seeing now, and then there's the one which I am. Okay, so I'm just looking and trying to see if just remove this greens that you are seeing here. Okay, it's fine then. So I'm looking to see if we've got an entry around here. So we just need a confirmation in order for us to see if we are gonna reverse from this area here. So see, we've got one, two, three, five, and then if you do what you do, right? Wait, it's actually one, two, and three. We don't have a gap here. So yeah, we're not gonna be part of this here. So no, we're not gonna be part of this here. I'm not expecting anything from there. So we're gonna first need to see, yeah, um, I'm not expecting anything from there. We are not gonna be part of that. So um, let's see now if you can. Yeah, this is interesting. At the current moment, I don't even feel like I know I started streaming late, right? But I don't see or feel like I've actually lost a trade. When I mean lost, I mean like missed out on a trade since we've been started late. So I can actually see nothing. There isn't anything that is there for us right now to say we can um, we can be looking for. See the reflection there at the back. Okay, so that's fine, I guess. I guess that's fine. Mm, let's see. I think we can go to NQ. Okay, before we go to NQ, let's just allow price to see what does for us to see what does it want us to do, right? I think it'll be good for us to see what does it actually want us to do. or if there's, or if it's communicating or something, or if it's saying something. Okay. I think maybe you could even go to NQ after this because at the current moment I can't see anything from this guy here. So let's see. It's going to get better, guys. The streams are going to get better. They'll be more prepared. They'll be much, the quality will be much better. It's only going to get better, right, guys? I mean, if you're at the low or at your lowest, right, or if you're not where you want to be, the only thing that can happen is for things to only get better. So um, we just need to be that optimistic. So again, the objective of this is for me to trade live and to grow, not just to grow, but to pass the challenge, make my first withdrawal while you're watching. Um, I have already a certificate from Bulenox, but I want to get this one again. I hope they've updated. Bulenox is a bit old-fashioned, I would say, but you know, old-fashioned works. That's what I'm gonna say. They're old-fashioned. They've got a system that works, and um, so like even for a payout, they don't give certificates. All you gotta just all there is just maybe that was the time. It's been a year, so maybe at least if they've updated that, that would be something interesting to look forward to. So let's see. Doing rebalance. Yeah. Excuse me. What about this here? Okay, like what I'm seeing here. I don't know if we're still. Let's see if we do come here. Let's see the 15. No, we'll be revising. Okay, it's not what I thought it was. This was from gold. That maybe we are about to have. Let me use this guy because I'm using him for nothing, so I can see some of my streams there. Okay. Um. Real quick is qualified trust. Okay, I'm seeing a potential entry. Oh, entry is just gonna be a short entry here. Let's see. Just looking forward for price just to retrace a bit back up. So I'm just seeing it do this right. That's what we are seeing. Where's my path? Okay, it's here. So I'm seeing price just trace and then go out. So I'm seeing it come into this heavily gap here. Then we go up. That's what I'm seeing here. So So if we do come in there, but again we need more info, right? It's not just gonna be that family gap, but we need a bit more info than that. So if we get in there, okay, so let's just see. Let's see. Not bad. Very trade. So if we do back trade on a limit, then we risk about 3. So go from here, make this here. We entering about 3 contracts here. The GC, right? You see. Okay. Let's wait to see. I think 2 makes more sense. Let's enter 2 contracts, not 3. They're risking $200. So if you enter 2 here, it will be fine. Okay, let's see. Otherwise, if it goes without me being triggered, I'm okay with that, right? And then I'll maybe expect it to come back again. Then we can go up maybe, but let's see. Okay, let's try to see. Let's see. Close here. Okay, I'm gonna wait for it to go up. I'm not gonna be part of it. I'll wait for it to go up and then come back again. Yeah, I'm seeing it already go, so it's fine. Yeah, it makes sense. So let me prepare for the trade. Excuse me. So maybe getting in something that there here, right? There's so close, just maybe about there, above the high. Let's see. approve this here. So I'm really looking forward to the setup. So we'll wait. We'll allow it to do its thing. We'll wait. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Looks like it's coming back. I would honestly like it to go up before it comes back down. Maybe I should just activate a paper trading account here. I can be paper trading here. Okay, it's not bad. No, just gonna get in there. Doesn't want. Okay, just do that there. Put the profit there. Stop loss. Spread is the only thing that will take it out there. But yeah, so let's see. So we'd like it to go from here to come up here, take out this high, and then come back. I'm just paper trading this, but I'm not yet in. So I'm conscious right now. I'm like, I'm present. I'm intentional about what I'm doing. Right. Um, I'm expecting price to come from here to go up. I want it to come take out this high, and then from there we come back to here. That's what I want to see the price do. Yeah. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold here. We are in winter. We're in winter, so like it's really cold. So I'm just preparing for the next trade. That's the next trade. That's for the trade, right? Hmm. That's interesting. I think it's now in the area where we wanted to execute from, so we can buy. Let's execute. No, it's not supposed to be like that. And then here, it's the buy. That's it one. Other one, let's buy as well. Doesn't have a good feel. Doesn't have a good feel at all. So we want to buy. So let's see if we are on our way. If we want to do well or not. See, there's a difference, right? This is great, guys. We are watching this up in live. We are in. We are in the trade, so let's see. Watching it happen live. So after what I'm seeing here, I'm struggling to see it come back like with what I wanted to see it do, right? Yeah. So I'm just seeing it go after this here. So we're just gonna take profit where we take, and then we find. You can see our fill was not as good compared to the other guy, but again, it's okay. Um, let's just have a take profit hit and then we're out. Okay. It's cold. It's actually cold. Let's go by. Progress. Should we say progress or should we say in process? Say current. I guess progress makes more sense. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, what I'm just not happy about, I just didn't get a good feel. That's what I would say. My feel wasn't good. My feel was not as good. So okay, I'm now thinking we can implement our 80% here, right? So there is about 80%. I think we're actually over 80%. So this is where our question comes. Do we stay in the trade or do we put it at break even? Okay, the best thing we do right now is put the trade in the break even, right? And we're going to do it and put it right there. So we're in break even at the moment. Then just allow price to do its thing. It's us choosing. It's cold. I'll say again. It's really cold. One thing for me on my side, with where I got in, it's going to be about a 1:3. So Take profit has just hit, so we can close all our trades. Close this one. Close. Perfect, guys. We've got our first 1:3 trade. We've hit our trade. We've done well. TP has hit. Um, so this is like a win on the stream, right? So I'm happy with this. I'm happy. So as a 1:3 for London, I think I might be done, right? For London, New York, if we get our one trade in New York, if we get one more trade in New York, I think we will be, um, sorry, I can update this now, right? Let's do that there. And then a beautiful 1:3. How will I edit this now? Still trying to get used to this here. Mm. Yeah, still trying to get used to how to edit this. Oh, you know what? Okay, I'll do it this way. We'll do it this way. We'll take that. Then we will. That was a good trade, guys. You can see still shooting up, but we've taken what we want, right? So, meaning, so far, remember, as we were talking earlier, our maximum trade that we can take is 3 trades a day, but that's under the condition that we've got the first two right. One right, I mean, at least one out of the two right. And then we can then um, get in a trade at we can now get in the third trade, or we can look for a third setup. But if we don't have a setup, we don't have to get in because we are saying we should, right? So, um, so it's going to be 3R there. 3R as a win, right? Okay, sharp. So that's good. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I mean, we are on track. So we're just gonna have to wait and see what London has for us. But this was a simple trade. A simple trade. We went into our fair value gap. We waited for our confirmation, and you can see where we got in. You can see the candle where we actually got in there, and then you can see where we went out. It's showing us that's our buy, and that's our sell there. Take profit was it. So it was a nice, beautiful trade. This is like one of my bread and butter. Hence, you're seeing it's just a 3R, right? It's just a bread and butter, which is not bad. So um, again, um, again, this was good. I mean, you see how quick it is when it comes to trading. You don't need to practically be looking for a lot. You just need to know your setup. If you see a setup, take an opportunity for take the opportunity, risk what you're supposed to risk. I'm happy with the risk I was able to risk. I mean, I was risking 200, and the 3R is supposed to be how much? 600. I made a little bit more than 3R, right? In fact, with one, because of the feel, with the other one, I made a 4R, and then with this one, the one underneath, I made it actually above the 3R. So that is good. That is practically good. Here, in fact, we should say it is 3R plus. That's what you made, right? Yeah, 3R plus. So we will win there. So, yeah, this is good. First trade always matters, guys. It builds confidence. It uh, it 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 creates this opportunity or this mindset that it creates an opportunity for you to now take your confidence, take all your trades, right? So meaning now for me to be able to lose these profits, I need to lose with one account. I need to lose about four winning trades, right? I need to lose about four trades practically in order for me to get to break even. And what does that mean about the rules? It means that since my first trade was a win right now, it means that by the end of today, I cannot be on a loss. I can't be on break even. I should be 1 hour up at least if I take my next two trades and it happens that they are losers. I don't know if that makes sense. You see, so um, that is the good thing about a winning trade. Even if I take one more trade and it becomes a winning trade, it just puts us in a better place to be able to trade. So, for example, once we get funded, we will be we have to create a buffer first, and then the profits above the buffer are the ones we can actually withdraw. So it's actually cold, guys. It's cold. That's when we can actually be able to do what we need to do. Oh, I see my wife here saying, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, let's go, babes. We are going. Right. We are going. Um, okay. So just for, I mean, I know I can end the stream here, but I am just going to now, we are going to now look at what setups were there maybe in London for NASDAQ, because we only trade gold right now, but what setups were there for London, right, is where we'll be now checking to see if in for NASDAQ, if NASDAQ had anything or if it was just quiet as well, right? So this one back here. Yeah, I mean, the setup I'm using currently, it's not mine, but it's beautiful. I'll say it again, it's beautiful. It's like so beautiful. I've got like three screens right now, and one is this one which I'm looking where I'm actually executing, right? That's what I'm executing, and then there's the second screen on my left, which has the chat that you are seeing, and then on the right here, I've got a chat which I am analyzing myself, right? So that's the chat I'm actually analyzing myself. So um, hence you see me look this side, look that side, and look here. So um, again, it will get better. Like I said, it will just get better. It will improve, right? Um, yeah. Let's just see here if there's something in. Uh, if you guys here like this, yeah, it's a bit closer. Okay, so we're the winner, guys. Remember, we're the winner. Just go back here so you can see we're our good winning trade here that we just took from here to there. see from the 1 minute, how does it look? See, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. Where we got in, this is where we went out. It wasn't bad at all. So I'm just quickly scanning through NASDAQ to see what we had or if there's anything, but at the moment I think I might be done, right? Hmm. Yeah, so gold, what can I expect? Well, I'm expecting to take out this low now, right? I expect it to probably take out this low, and then um, I'm not sure if we are gonna retrace around here. Honestly, I do not know. I don't have a setup at the current moment for gold, but um, it hmm, go on my OB broke here. Okay, it broke up here. Okay, I think with Nasdaq I might be seeing something. I'm seeing it drop. I'm just seeing it drop a little bit to this, from where it is to about here. I don't know if I'm correct. Let me just double check here. What time frame is that? No, that's wrong. Not there, sorry. To here, yeah, about here. I'm seeing it drop. So I want to see now if there may be a setup for us to get involved, or an entry for us to get involved. Otherwise, we've got on two. Let's see if we come here, we come here, and then we come there, and then go down. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Okay. So let's just double check here to see if we've got anything, then an entry for us. If it does come, that's if it comes. Otherwise, we're not going to be part of it. We want to trade what we know, right? So if we get in there, then we can watch here. So I want us to get in here. Let me show you where I want us to get in. Is this here. If we do come with price here, and then we have stop loss just about somewhere there, and then we can target back here on. I think we can do something. That's the 3R, that won't be bad. That wouldn't be bad at all. So let's say we want to get in that guy. How much would we need for that control? To risk two contracts, 200. Okay. Okay, so two contracts. I think two contracts will be not won't be bad for us to actually be part of the trade there. So just take that, put you next to you there, and then you see. But I feel like it could even drop without us. But let's see if we can have prices come back a bit up here. We'll be okay with that. Hmm. So I'm looking forward to your MQ. getting ready to see if it comes. Something. So let's see. Okay. Yeah. Let's wait. Let's see. Excuse me. Okay, looks like we might be coming back. Okay. You want to come here, then you can go down. Let's see. If we have price come there, then we have to go down. That wouldn't be bad, right? Yeah. So let's see. Let's get from where it is there now. I have to use one contract. Okay. Let's use one contract. Then let's we do this here. We go in the cell with one. We enter contract this cell. Okay. You can see both didn't have good feels, but it's fine. Our risk is still, that's what's important here. Our risk is the same. And then I'll put our stop loss just about there. Yeah, so I should put a buy. Okay. So I should put a buy limit, right? Selling. Okay, so it looks like it's then coming back to our area where we wanted to execute, which is not bad. Which is not bad. It's fine. So we do that there. Stop loss out there. Then we can never take profit. But yeah. So make sure my stop loss is in place, my take profit is in place. So yes, so I should put a buy stop. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. And then I put it for the other guy as well. So we're buying, so I should put a buy. Yeah. A buy stop. Okay. No, it's a buy limit, sorry. Yeah. And I think I'm even risking a good risk here because if it hits us, it's not gonna be bad. So it's not going to be that bad. Zero. Is it okay? Okay. Double checking if all of my stop losses just do have stop losses. So that's fine. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, nice all hit. So I'm okay. I'm okay with it. That's fine on my side. We are done for London. So we're done for London. Can you take that one there? You can see the spread there. So it's fine. Okay, so what we will do, we're still good. We're still good. We're still up our 3R. So like I said, my risk was very good here. Like very, very good. So I'm happy with that. So what we can do is I'm gonna end the stream here. And then we'll be back in. Oh, let me update that. Let me update that. Let me update that. Let me update our trades taken. So it's going to be minus 0.5 because I didn't really lose all I was supposed to lose here. So minus 0. What? 0.5 R. So loss. Okay. Take you, put you there, then goes full and so. And then I'm just gonna move you a bit up here like that there. Cool. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. It will improve, guys. It will improve. Right now, it looks like it's my daughter drawing there. Oh, but yeah, it will improve. It will become better and better and better. So fine, guys. We are happy. Again, we had a good run here with gold. I'm happy that we had a good run. So took what hours, you can see price left. Now it is reversed. Yeah. It's none of our business. We should take what's yours and go. Right. Whatever it does after, we are not market makers. So all right, I'll end the stream here and we'll meet again in New York. Yeah. London session was a good session.